Okay, so adjectives describe things. They describe what it is, how it is, what it looks like, and beyond. They go before a noun to describe what it looks like and is. How is it? What does it look like? Thin, tall, small, wide, strange, colourful, thick, thin, elastic, smooth, and beyond. So, tall man, quiet village, how is it? Quiet. Annoying thing, annoying thing. And the adjective stays the same if the noun is singular, only one, like man, one, or plural, 2 plus. So we can have tall women, tall woman, tall women, tall man, tall men. The same. The adjective stays the same. Thin, thin book, a thin book, thin books, thin books. They're all thin. Very good. So the adjective goes before the noun. Remember that. It's quite an important one in English. Tall man, quiet village, annoying thing, tall women, thin books. Very good. So an adjective describes a noun, what it looks like and how it is. What it looks like, tall, how it is, quiet, annoying, and beyond. It goes before the noun, before the noun, and does not change if it's singular or plural. How cool is that? Let's keep going.